Welcome to our comparison of two popular ice makers, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker and the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker. Today, we will dive into their features, performance, and price to help you decide which one is the best fit for your home or outdoor adventures. Let's get started. The EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for those who enjoy a refreshing crunch in their drinks. In contrast, the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice cubes, which are great for cooling beverages quickly, but lack the chewable texture of nugget ice. Depending on your preference for ice type, this could be a significant factor in your decision. When it comes to daily ice production, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker leads the way with an impressive output of 33 pounds of ice per day. This makes it ideal for larger gatherings or for those who frequently entertain. On the other hand, the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker produces 26.3 pounds of ice daily, which is still sufficient for personal use or small gatherings. Consider your ice needs when making your choice. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $299.99, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. In contrast, the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker is much more affordable at just $89.99, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Weigh the cost against the features that matter most to you. In conclusion, both the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker and the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize chewable nugget ice and high production capacity, the EASYERA is the better choice. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers on performance, the EUHOMY is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.